You're probably wondering why my pinky's done. I literally started to film for TikTok because I was gonna do each individual nail, so I had like it all together, but that didn't work. So I'm saying screw it and we're just gonna continue on. I'm going to fill them in. I'm still gonna do one at a time. Okay, applying base coat, and this is gelish foundation. I'm going to take the gelish structure. This is the second time I'm using it. I used it on this tutorial, but I don't think that's live yet. Yes, I'm doing my non-dominant hand. And I like it so far, but I want to use it a couple times before I'm like, yeah, this is really awesome. So wait up. Okay, gonna take a larger bead. Not too big because I do have gel on still, so this is just a backfill. So I am floating that bead across, and then I'm going to walk it down the nail, and then we're going to paint it with Perfect White from Madame Glam.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out.
All right, I buffed this a little bit so the sticker will have something to stick to. So buff, cleanse, and then I apply the sticker, and then we're going to top coat it. And I think I top coat it twice.
I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is
Now starting on the middle finger, I am going to apply gelish foundation and then build up the nail again with that gelish structure.
begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
Grabbing the sticker, I thought this one was so fun. I was like, oh, that's perfect. So I went ahead and added that sticker, and then I come over with that structure gel, and then I build it up just a smidge after I put on the stars.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, 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 oh.
top coating that middle finger, and I loved how this one came out. I thought it was so cute.
Just stay one more night. I'll be
Fully build up this nail because we are going to apply Peekaboo over it, which is going to create some bulk because this is a hard gel and it's just a colored hard gel essentially. And what I do is I kind of do a slip layer here and then I come in with a larger bead.
by your side. We'll live for
Nail Addict's magnets, and I am going to apply this over it, and then I also add some stars into this in a second layer that I have uncured gel on.
a new day. We live life the hard way, but not today. Just stay. Just stay. Just stay. One more night.
We are going to create an ombre with red and blue, and then I like to apply the glitter over it, and I do add the magnets gel polish over this as well.
One more night. Just feel my heart.
All right, here is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.